Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video. Welcome back again. And today we're going to talk about prepositions of time. Prepositions of time. I have made another video which is about prepositions of place, but this time we're going to talk about time. Okay, so I have three prepositions that I'm going to talk about today. The first one is at, the second in, and the third one on. Okay, I put almost everything that I need to explain here, so I just need to add at, in, on, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's begin with the preposition at. When do we use the preposition at? We use it when we talk about times of day. Okay, times of day. At 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock. Okay, at 10:30. Okay, at noon. At noon. At midnight. Okay, so we use the preposition at to talk about times of day. At 4 o'clock, at 10:30, at noon, at midnight. Okay, we also use the preposition at to talk about meal times. For example, at lunchtime, at dinner time. Okay, holidays, at Christmas. Okay, now in this part I'm not referring to a specific day, okay, but I'm referring to the holiday. Okay, so that is at Christmas, at Easter, at the weekend, or you can also say on the weekend. I think in British English is at the weekend, in American English is on the weekend, but it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, some expressions is at present, at the moment, at night. Okay, these are some expressions where you use the preposition at. And let's move on to the next preposition, which is in. We use the preposition in to talk about months, seasons, years. Okay, but let me start with this one. Months. In April, in August, in September. Okay, we also use the preposition in to talk about seasons. In the summer, in the spring, in the winter. Okay, and for years, in 1996, in 1875, also for decades, in the 80s, in the 70s, in the 20s, in the 90s, okay, for centuries, in the 21st century, in the 19th century, long periods, in the Ice Age, in the present, in the past. Okay, these are long periods. Okay, so since we're talking about periods, we use the Ice Age, the present, the past, in the future also. Parts of the day. Parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. I didn't use in the night because that is not correct. I already told you that it's at night. Okay, I explained that over here. So these are in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay, and when do we use the preposition on? Okay, well, the preposition on is used for days. On Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Saturday, on Sunday, on my birthday, because it's a specific day. Okay, my birthday. On Christmas Day. Dates, also for dates. On June 15th, on April 13th, on December 3rd, on our anniversary. Okay, it's a specific date. So the next one is part of specific day. We also use the preposition on to say on Monday morning, on Friday evening, on Saturday night, on Sunday afternoon. Okay, so that's where we use the preposition on. And now I have something very special here for you. We do not use any of these prepositions, either at, in, or on, when we have these words: last, next, every, and this. For example, I went to London last June. We're referring to a month, but we already have the word last. We're not going to write in, okay? That is not correct. So this one is the right way. I went to London last June. I can put a tick here, okay? He's coming back next Tuesday. He is coming back next Tuesday. I don't have to add at or on next Tuesday, okay? It's just next Tuesday. I go home every Easter or every Christmas, which means that I go there at that time, okay? I go home every Christmas. And the last one, we'll call you this evening. I don't need to use in this evening or at this evening, okay? It's just this evening. So this is basically the explanation that I had here for you today. I have some exercises which I'm going to write on the board, but I need to erase, and then you have to solve them, okay? Just one moment. Here I have a quick quiz for you, so you can take some time to solve this. First one, we will take a trip at and on 2025. Number 2, she studies. Which preposition goes here? Night. Number 3, they celebrate New Year's Day at and on January 1st. Number 4, my class is over at and on 3 p.m. Number 5, we go skiing at and on the winter. Number 6, my brother's birthday is at and on August. Number 7, I traveled to Spain at and on, or what is it? Okay, so you take your time to solve this and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or otherwise, if you're one of my students, I'll ask you about this exercise in class. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. God bless you. See you next time.